came, he saw, he conquered. Box office, hearts, and also a few heroines. Touted as one of the finest of his generation, with good reason of course, because he comes from a lineage of brilliance. Also, with constant conjecture about his personal life, he is a tabloid sweetheart. Let's find out what makes this young boy tick. Please welcome.
What I like most about him, or what inspires me most, is his attitude when it comes to satisfying the requirements of his friends. दोस्तों की खुशी के लिए साला कुछ भी कर सकता है. एंड द ब्लडी गो गेटर एटीट्यूड. कोई अंकल किधर भी रहो, सोमिल इसका ये जगह का ये चीज़ फेमस है, ये खाना है, ऐसा है क्या? कहीं से कहीं किसी अंकल को पकड़ के फ़ोन करके अंकल से काम निकलवा के हमारा जो भी इच्छा है वो पूर्ण कर देगा. That is the speciality of Smallville. I have never seen anybody like him. He's the best in this.
His attitude is to help everyone, including the strangers. इनका एक बिगेस्ट अच्छा क्वालिटी है कि कोई भी हेल्प के लिए जाता कभी नो नहीं बोलता, and he somehow completes and give it to everyone. This inspires me a lot.
His attitude of not giving up and always ready to help everyone.
And the question for the gift hamper is, what was Somil's dog's name? There was a jeweler who had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, and Bingo was his name. Oh, happy birthday, Somil.
Playing cricket, and a funny incident when Bingo chased me when we were kids.
Bingo.
Somil's dogs' names were Bingo and Fuzzy.
Somil had an Alsatian. Forgot the name though, sorry Somil. But yeah, every time we used to go, it used to be there, it was very friendly. But one thing I got to understand later in the days and weeks and months as it passed by is that Somil, funnily enough, never took his handsome dog for a date outside with another dog. And that meant the dog was still a virgin. Now, the single most advice I would have given Somil at that point in time is, please do not let him die as a virgin. But the poor dog died as a virgin. Somil, उसका भूत तुझे कभी माफ नहीं करेगा. खबरदार.
My one line advice to Somil is, Somil, you are born to eat and make people eat. So don't ever think about any kind of a dieting. It doesn't suit you. Okay? खाते रहो, खिलाते रहो.
I've had very good memories of hanging around with Somil in places such as restaurants, hotels, Kati Roll Joint, Copper Chimney, Mint Street. I think I found a foodie in him with whom I could hang around most of the time, even though he was veg and I was non-veg. We used to try all kinds of food that we came across, keeping in mind that we loved food. Yeah, number one. Number two, he introduced me to Mint Street in a very nice way by just taking me along and getting me have chance in a beer bottle for the first time, and I was absolutely amazed and I was laughing out of glory about that. Number two, had the lassi in the Bhaiya's stall, which was just adjacent to Somil's workshop. And last but not the least, he took me to Kakra Mithai. And I was laughing away to glory over there for various reasons I can't be telling here, but yeah, that's between the boys. But yeah, those are the fun times I had with Somil, and I continue having that whenever I come back to Chennai. So, cheers to you, Somil, mate. You take care and have a lovely birthday. Yeah, bye.
Wish you happy birthday, Somil. Take care. Stay blessed. सोमिल की सबसे बड़ी खास बात यह है कि कहीं भी उसके साथ घूमने जाओ, खाने पीने के मामले में सोमिल जैसा कोई नहीं हो सकता। उसको खाना भी आता है और खिलाना भी आता है। स्टे ब्लेस्ड, टेक केयर।
The one guy who finds my abuses funny and encourages me to keep abusing people is you, Somil. Many happy returns of the day, and we are still waiting to know when the Zoom call will be.
Somil bhai, I think all of us here know that Pavam face that you have.
I'm not too sure about the Pavan face.
So all the mischief that you are up to, I think that's what makes us, laugh and have such a good time around you. You are the sweetest friend we all have. God bless you. Have a great birthday.
हम लोग कुटालम गए थे। वहाँ कुटालम में मॉर्निंग 7:30 एक वॉक के लिए निकले तो नारियल पानी वाला मिला। नारियल पानी वालों को पूछा, सोमिल ठीक है, उसका कूल ब्रीज, क्लाइमेट फर्स्ट क्लास है। तो वहाँ पे बाइक था उसका पल्सर। सोमिल को सडनली दिमाग में आया, भैया एक 2 मिनट आप बाइक दो ना भैया, हम लोग चला के वापस आके दे देते हैं। बोला नारियल पानी वाले की देखा, ठीक है सोमिल पूछ रहा है करके बाइक दे दिया। साला 2 मिनट बोल के 1 घंटा तक मैं और सोमिल बाइक में घूम रहे थे। यहाँ पे देखा तो आलोक और मनीष को नारियल पानी वाला रिटेन कर लिया। बोलो जब तक मेरा बाइक नहीं आएगा आप दोनों को छोड़ूंगा नहीं। इतना फ़ोन के बाद हम लोग वापस आए, बाइक दिए, उसके बाद आलोक और मनीष को छुड़ाए। क्रेजी फेलो।
एक बार हम लोग दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट में अटक गए, तो हमारी फ़्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई। तो एयरलाइंस वाले हमको नाइट स्टे करने के लिए होटल ले लिया। तो हम लोग सब होटल जाकर वहाँ पे गए, तो बोले कि 3 रूम हमको चाहिए। तो बोले 2 रूम ही अभी देते हैं, बैलेंस लोगों के लिए बाद में जैसे आएंगे हम लोग देंगे। 3 घंटे के बाद बैलेंस लोग आए थे, तो वो होटल वाला मना कर दिया। तो उसके बाद जो सोमिल जी को जो गुस्सा आया था, जो उन्होंने जो गुस्से में जो डांटा, हाफ एन आवर हम लोग सब लोग हिल गए। 5 लोगों को खींच के लेकर जाना पड़ा। एंड आज से कभी गुस्सा देखे नहीं, और अभी आज के बाद कभी देखना भी नहीं चाहेंगे गुस्सा।
Listen.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Soul Bhai.
Somal and Aarti as a couple, they're amazing people. We've had some awesome times together and awesome memories, be it the Lavasa holiday or Goa, or be it the small drives that we have in Chennai. And they're two people who stand by you and fight with you till the end. If I'm in an emergency, I'll never call my husband. I'll always call Somal because I know he'll come running, he'll answer the phone, and he'll just sort out all my issues for me.
They're made for each other, right? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Somil. Happy birthday to you. I'm sure it's going to be a lovely surprise. And coming to the question, I think there's this one word which can exactly describe what Somil is all about. And I think that is selfless. And this is one quality of yours which has actually got my best friend Aarti and you together, because you both are just so selfless as individuals. And this is one of the prime reasons which keeps you close to everyone's heart. So stay this way and have a fab life ahead.
Aarti is elder to Somil.
Hi Somil, wish you a very happy birthday. I thought I will share a few memories with you. Somil and Aarti are a very good couple. They have followed my instructions and they are living very happily. So wish you a very happy and a wonderful birthday. Miss you. Bye. Take care.
One, two, three. start.
Happy birthday to you, Somil. Shah family always make every occasion so special, and this Valentine birthday celebrating in a very special way with a very thoughtful surprise to you. Coming to the question, to describe you in a few words will be very difficult. You are that one person who is so generous with that helping nature at any given point of time. You are just a call away. And your better half, my dearest friend Aarti. You both just compliment each other. Stay blessed, guys. Somil, wishing you a very happy birthday once again. And you know what I'm waiting for here, right? Those long drives with that amazing collection music of yours. Cheers to you.
हम लोग राजकोट गए थे, वहाँ पे जब होटल में रुके थे हम लोग, वहाँ पे सुनने में आया कि इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम कल सुबह यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं। तो सोमिल तो क्रिकेट का फ़िदा है, तो इमीडिएटली बोला भैया मुझे तो ऑटोग्राफ लेना है। तो हम लोग बाज़ार गए, वहाँ से एक मिनिएचर बैट 3 घंटा ढूंढने के बाद मिनिएचर बैट मिला, वो लेकर आया, होटल में वेटर को दिए। एक कल सुबह उन लोग टीम आएंगे ना, उनसे साइन ले लेना। ऐसे बातों बातों में उनको पूछा कौन सा टीम आ रहा है भाई, अभी तो मैच कोई शेड्यूल नहीं है ना यहाँ पे ना। वो बोला इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम। भी कौन सा इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम? वो बोला वुमेन्स इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम। बाद में मालूम पड़ा वुमेन्स इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम बिलो 18 आने वाले हैं। उसके बाद सोमिल को जो हम लोग पीटे।
Okay, so I've got lots of great memories of us playing cricket together, but there are two that stand out distinctly, both in Pachepas. So one is of you, I think you were standing in second slip. I can't remember who the bowler was. Maybe it was me, maybe it was someone else. But it's the first time I've seen you jump as high as that to take a brilliant slip catch, right? So that was one distinct thing that I can remember. The second one was, I think, one of those, we've had many different great partnerships together. So this one, I think we needed 50 of 5 overs. You and I were batting. I think we were going really, really well. But last over, I think we needed 12 or 14 runs. We couldn't win, but that was a brilliant batting partnership.
Hi Raja Bhaiya, as I call you, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful birthday and year ahead with whatever surprise Aarti has planned for you. So I'm supposed to talk on 2-3 topics about our friendship and what I liked about you. We started off getting connected to the great game of cricket, so I'll talk about some cricket memories. Good memory and bad memory. Not bad memory, funny memory. The funny memory is we used to call you Jaunty in the one of the teams that we played together for. Not because you are exceptional with your fielding, because you dropped a sitter. Not the sitter that Nikunj dropped, but still it was very easy catch. I expected you to catch it. But the good memory comes off it. The next game you were so pissed off that everyone kept teasing you Jaunty. You took a blinder. I think it was at covers or at mid-wicket. If it was Siddharth who was bowling, it was definitely mid-wicket. But that's one fantastic memory we have had. And of course, the great fights that we have had, both at 36 Arms Road and LG and Cleve, over whether the ball was cleanly caught or to a 6 or a 4. So that's going to be one of my great memories when it comes to cricket. Then the next funny bit that I'm supposed to talk to you about is when we all went to Kodaikanal, the legendary trip, where you wore your, where you wore the skeleton mask on your face, which had a long pipe. When you press it, blood starts oozing out of it on the face. It was scary even as a toy, but you wore it at 11:30, 12 in the night, went to every coupe and kept doing this till the TC got really scared as well. Well, I was not very happy then. I'm still not happy thinking about now, but one thing is, the child in you is always alive and awake. Please keep it the same way. You're an excellent friend. Have a wonderful birthday. Cheers.
Happy birthday to you, Somil. You're the best DJ that Spicer's ever will have. And Somil plays Summer of '69 every single time without fail. And so I'm a big fan. Happy birthday and can't wait for our next party with you DJing. Have a lovely year ahead, Somil.
What are your most memorable moments with Somil in Liba?
Liba was great fun. We followed each other. Either he followed me or I followed him. We don't know. But both of us after Loyola got into Liba. Liba was a great time for both of us where we enjoyed our life to the maximum extent. And the most favorite moments of Liba, I would say, are the parties which the Extreme Spicers kept, and that was brilliant. And I don't like to dance to the tunes of anyone, but first time enjoyed dancing to the tunes played and the songs played by DJ Somil.
Okay, Somil's house. What are the good memories that you've had at Somil's house?
Somil's house has been great fun. It was a great time where I know Somil from 1999 and have been walking into that beautiful house of his. Best is the parapet wall where we used to sit and keep talking. There were times we used to go sit on the water tank on top, and during the night times when we used to go for night studies to his house, and along with another friend Shanky, and it was the most chilled out time of our life. Great fun.
Special birthday wishes for Somil?
Special birthday wishes. May you always be the special person you are in everyone's life, and spread that joy and happiness in everyone's life, and keep healthy and stay safe. We are always with you. Loads of love, man. Cheers.
Hey Somil,
Hi, Somil.
it's your birthday.
Happy birthday
We are happy.
for you
Have a lovely one, buddy.
and a beautiful year. Mwah.
Have a great one.
So this was during the final exam at Liba. We were all in a very big hall, and some of them, as usual, SS had finished writing all the answers and had left from the hall. And I was seated right next to the window. To my surprise, SS was there calling me Bhattu, Bhattu. So I just turned around. I said, "Tell me the answers for this, this, this." And he very sweetly came right next to the window. Of course, it was quite at a height. It was about 3 feet higher than his height. And he just came right next to that wall and just said, "Iska answer A, iska answer B, iska answer aise." And actually, because of that, I ended up completing my answers. So yes, that's been my most memorable incident with SS, and I can't forget it, and I thank him always. So SS, now this one is especially for you. I hope you like it. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, and God bless you all.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दोस्त, बर्थडे की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. Somil is a very, very dear friend who is so dependable and can keep secrets to himself, a well-wisher and someone to look forward to for any sort of advice. Thank you for being there always with us. Thank you.
Som, and that's how I have your number saved in my phone, and that's the way it is even till today. Our journey started way back, of course, when we were in Liva together, and I can't forget those endless conversations and calls that we've shared with each other, sharing our dating woes and things about our relationships and many other endless things together. Yeah, and from then till now, yes, we have come a long way together, and yes, I can't thank God enough for having got all of us together. About you, yes, the list can go a bit endless, but I think predominantly there are certain adjectives which quickly come to my mind, and those would be like simplicity, warmth, filled with goodness, and dependability as a friend, just like approachable, so forthcoming at any point of time, and so wise and so sensible, to have as a friend, to, somebody who you can just count on, and these are the few things that I associate with you very strongly. And individually, I think you and Aarti are such great human beings together, and such gems and assets to have as friends. I can't thank God enough for having got you all together, for having us being together with you all. And yes, guys, you guys are truly special, and we guys really admire both of you all for the kind of character, the solid character that both of you all possess. And yes, happy birthday to you once again, and lots of love and hugs, and keep shining, keep rocking, and yes, keep my friend happy always. She's a darling. We love her, we love you guys loads. Lots of love. Bye.
Happy birthday, Somil. So many memories attached to your birthday. I remember one birthday in particular when we went shopping for your family. You wanted to buy each one of them a present. You were so excited. You bought these presents with your first paycheck. From that to all your birthday parties, to this virtual greeting that Mrs. Shah is putting together, I hope you'll have many more wonderful birthdays in future. Have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon.
Listen, wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Somil. Happy 40th birthday.
Sorry, Somal, you're perhaps my closest and the one of my childhood friends who's been there all the way through for me. We've known one another from like LKG, UKG, and it's in third, fourth time when we got to know one another better, where you would come home because we lived quite closer then, where you'd come home and more often than not to take some books to copy notes, or I would come home and we would play on the big swing, I think that you had, if I remember correctly, that you had outside your house, and we would come there and play. I can only tell you that your friendship has been more than like cherishable for me. It's been amazing knowing you, and it only gets better.
I bet no one can forget about Somil's house because of the great cricket pitch and the great cricket moments we had. And also the post office, because everyone hits shots in the post office.
Somil bhai, happy birthday, many more happy returns of the day. I don't know where to begin and where to end. I can go on and on about you and this time we spend with our friends. So many good memories. But most of the memories that we spent with friends were at your house. It could be your cricket ground, it could be your front guest room, it could be your terrace. Usually when friends get together, they get together at beach or coffee shop or sandwich shop, which we used to get together. But most of our best memories were at your house, and for that we are just grateful. It's not because it was convenient, but because we knew if we had no other plan, we could still end up crashing at your house and having all the fun. The other thing is, Somil, you have this amazing ability to bring people together. You know why? That's because you're always jolly, always truthful. It comes straight from your heart. Always smiling, always happy, and you have this ability to bring people together, which is amazing. And this is one of the qualities that I always admire in you. So keep it up. Many more happy returns of the day from me, Ami, Tej, and Arjun, and hopefully we can all get together and celebrate your birthday. If not on your birthday, maybe when we all get together again. Happy birthday.
Hi, Jiju. So, I think there is so much I can talk about you, but let me make it short. So, let me start with let me tell you what inspires me the most is that you never say never, and I don't know how you do it. It's really not easy. And I have shared very, very emotional moments with you. And to start with is when I was expecting, and in my second month, I went through like an ectopic pregnancy, and I was in severe pain, and you rushed me to the hospital, and you made the whole hospital upside down to find out what exactly went wrong. After that was when I went into labor, and it was like 3:30 a.m. in the morning, and you again rushed in the middle of the night to take me to the hospital, and you were there. Like, you and sister have been through these difficult times. After that, I also share a moment, an emotional moment again, when we lost our dog and Chetan was not in town, so there was nobody willing to take him to the veterinary hospital. And I remember you and I had gone on the bike to cremate him. So those were like very difficult times, and you've just been there always. So thank you so much for everything. It has really, really been special to have someone like you in our family. You are like, the most influential member of our family, and we really are so happy to have you. One small advice I would like to give you is, बहुत जी लिए सबके लिए, अब थोड़ा जी लो बस अपने लिए. Have an amazing day and amazing year ahead. Take care.
We've had like lots of ups and downs. Actually, no downs at all. It's only been a good time that we've always had. And I remember all those calls that we used to religiously do every night before we slept. Come what may, even if it was just to say hello, hi, bye. It was quite a ritual that we actually followed for many years, at least a few years to my recollection. You've always been there, come what may. You're a great person, one of the best that I know, who's always there, come what may, any time of the day, night, any time of the year. You're amazing. Continue being so. Both of you, that's Aarti and Somil, are great people, great individuals. I really think that you guys complement one another. You guys do whatever it's required to reach out, help out people. I love that quality about you guys. Keep it up. Love you both. Happy birthday, Somil.
Be a little selfish and think about your own family.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Sergi. It's actually been a very unique bonding with you. Like, we've shared so many things together. Things which we have not shared with anyone. At least I have not shared with anyone else apart from you or Bhaiya for that matter. But this has been crazy bonding with you on those things. We've traveled so much together every year. The yatra we do and the other musical trips we take. So much of bonding, so much of memories we share together. So much fun, so much learning from you. I remember when there was the fire at my office and you guys were the first one to reach, and I was dreading to go up to my office after the fire to take stuff out, and you were like, I will take you. You went along with me up to the my office when the water was still hot, the fire was still running on, and we got our stuff. I still cannot forget those moments when you guys were always there for me. It was a crazy moment. I mean, I cherish all that, and I really thank you for always being there for me. You've always been a call away.
विशिंग यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे सोमिल. ऐसे ही खाओ, खाते रहो, फूलो, हमको भी फुलाते रहो. हैप्पी बर्थडे. Stay blessed forever.
Happy birthday, Somil. Just a fresh look for the coffee with Karan. Surprise for you, Aarti. Anyways, wish you a very healthy life. And may your life keep shining like the sun shining here. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Hey Mr. Shah, wish you a very, very happy birthday. Have a wonderful year ahead. And if you're wondering why am I all dressed up, it is for your birthday. We need to celebrate it because you are an amazing person to have been around us all the time and always backing my good friend Aarti and having some wonderful children. And good to have a friend who's always there looking after and connecting all of us, which is really important. Thanks to you for doing all of this. Happy to know you. Wish you all the very best and have a wonderful, wonderful year ahead. Happy birthday again. Cheers.
My nickname for you is Somail. Why? Because it's not something that I created. It just came from one of the New Year's Eves when I was not even with you guys, but from the stories that I hear that it was in a public place and somebody referred to you as Somail and you didn't bother correcting her. You just went on with it, and I can imagine you were sitting there with your mouth open, just looking at her and not bothering to correct her. So it's from then on that I've taken off from this name for you.
Hello Somil bhai, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Stay safe.
So many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful day and a lovely year ahead.
Hello, Mr. Bond. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Sorry I couldn't do coffee with Karan style videos like your wife requested, but anyway, this is the best I could do. Sorry. Wish you a very happy birthday again. Have a great day, and I'll call you tomorrow. Bye. Take care.
Happy birthday, Mokshaji! Happy birthday, Mokshaji! Hello.
Hello.
I'm so much fun today. I'm taking my papa to drive. I love you so much. Aarti Masi Somalanka. Bye bye.
Thank you. The happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, have a okay. बस हैप्पी बर्थडे सोमी पापा.
Oh, sorry.
जल्दी के मानो. जल्दी के हैप्पी बर्थडे सोमी पापा.
Happy birthday, Somil Papa.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. No chocolate.
No chocolate.
No chocolate.
No ice cream.
No ice cream.
No Bittu Chacho. Okay, bye.
साला अब तो सुधर जा.
Happy birthday, Papa. You're the best father in the world. You're my Santa. Happy birthday. Have a great day. Happy birthday, Papa. You are also my Santa. Have a great day. Have a great